A dry cough refers to a cough that does not produce mucus, also known as phlegm or sputum. Dry cough symptoms. Dry cough may occur with other symptoms including flu-like symptoms, fatigue, fever, sore throat, headache, aches and pains, hoarse voice, nausea, runny nose, nasal congestion, sore throat, swollen neck, lymph nodes, vomiting, wheezing. Dry cough treatment. Drink a lot of warm water during the day to ease cough. You can also drink a mix of lemon juice, honey and warm water at least thrice during the day. Gargles are always effective for easing dry cough. Add some salt to lukewarm water and gargle. Gargling with warm spinach juice is also very helpful in providing relief from dry cough. Alternatively, you also can prepare a decoction of henna leaves for treating dry cough. Dry cough is a common disease, yet every individual needs unique treatment and care. We encourage people with dry cough and their families to learn as much as possible about the latest medical treatment and approaches, as well as healthy lifestyle choices. For more information about dry cough and how to treat dry cough, just click on the link at description or visit www.mainmd.com. Thank you.